If you know me so well, you know I always look for the least opportunity to put in nutrients into my system. Today I'll be showing you another way I used to put in nutrients into my system, like vitamin C in the form of my infused water. So this water loaded with vitamin C, this is what I carry to work. That way I stay hydrated because it is so important to drink water. This acts like juice to me because it tastes so good, like I'm drinking Fanta, whereas I am consuming my infused water loaded with vitamin C to nourish my skin plus other vitamins and minerals. So this makes you drink a lot of water and stay away from pop or the sugary drinks, because it actually tastes like one of them, but it is all natural and so refreshing and tastes so good in the mouth. So if you are interested to learn how to make yourself one of these to carry to work, stick around and watch this video till the end, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay looking fresher and hydrated. So let's get straight into it. So this is the best way you can actually get enough vitamin C into your system. This is a trick, most especially during this period when you need enough vitamin C to boost your immunity, so you can stay strong and fight all these diseases and viruses. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Plus, it makes your water fun to drink, most especially if you're someone who doesn't drink enough water. So enough of that, let me go straight into it. The first ingredient for the infused water will be orange. So oranges are highly rich in vitamin C. You need enough vitamin C, most especially now. So you want to get your one orange, wash thoroughly and slice into some good sizes. Depending on the bottles of waters you're taking to work, you can slice two oranges for a lot of water, but I'm using two bottles of water. So I will slice one orange. The second ingredient I'll be adding in my infused water will be lemon, which is a very powerful source of vitamin C as well. Plus, it will help boost my metabolism, facilitate and help you break down fats, so nothing I eat stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. So I have used like 3/4 lemon. The next thing I'll be adding in my infused water, very easy, will be grapefruit. So remember, this is a kind of vitamin C infused water. You want enough vitamin C and you don't want to take tablets. Like, this is the easiest way you can consume it. It lives in vitamin C, makes your water fun to drink, facilitates your metabolism so you can easily break down food without storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Like, this is so good, and I thought of sharing this video with you today. So yeah, this is it. So that is like half grapefruit, one orange, and 3/4 lemons. Easy. If you're going to work or you are at home, you can make it and put it in your a bigger jar and store in your refrigerator and drink whenever you want to for the day, or you carry it to work. And trust me, the faster you drink it, it tastes so good in the mouth. You don't want to leave it for so long. Just drink so fast, like within that day, like you're just doing it for the day. So yeah, I hope you get one. It actually tastes so good and yummy. So these are my bottles I carry to work, so it makes it fun for me. It's like you're drinking your own pop or soda. Like, it is so nice. So yeah, this is it. You want to put your fruit in your bottle, like a little bit of the lemon, grapefruit and orange in the two bottles. So I drink like this amount of water at work, and I come back home, I still drink enough water. Like, I drink a lot of water, but this is what I carry to work. So you want to make this, like, if I am taking it to work, it's so fast. Just for the sake of the video, I have to take time and explain. Like, this is so easy. You just put it in your bottle. You are so good to go to work, putting in vitamin C, fortifying your system, boosting your immunity, while helping you break down all the food you eat during the day so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Like, this is so good. Like, this is a secret. Don't, if you feel like you don't want to drink plain water, this is the best thing you can do. And it will not only keep you hydrated, it will help you burn fats because of the lemons, the vitamin C, the good acids in the lemon and grapefruit, plus the vitamin C that will help boost your immunity. Like, this water is, this vitamin C infused water is so good. So yeah, that is what I wanted to share with you today. Like, you want to put it and lock up your bottle, shake, like in the space of 10 minutes, 15 minutes, the juice must have been infused to the water. You can start drinking your water 30 minutes after and you're good. So you just make it carry to work, or as I mentioned earlier, at home, and you're good to go. You are putting in enough vitamin C in your system, as I mentioned earlier. You are hydrating, and as well as helping you break down food, metabolize food so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So yeah, so this is it. Share this video with your family and friends, most especially during this period. We need to be rich in vitamin C. Like, you need enough vitamin C for immunity boost, and yeah, and so many other benefits. Vitamin C equally helps to glow the skin. So yeah, enough of me. Share this video with your family and friends. It is a short video just to show you the easiest way to get in your vitamin C plus a very beautiful tasty water without being boring. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.